What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and today I'm going to share you what are being sold on GOAT. So if that interests you, let's do this. Sold this two Air Jordan 8 Retro, size 10.5 and size 10, and that it's right there. And also sold this Mamba Ridge Gold Star, and it's supposed to be right there, size 10.5. Also sold the Air Max 95 Essential, size 10.5. There we go, size 10.5. Okay, and next one we also sold this Air Jordan 1 Mid Pine Green right there, size 11. I think this is the last pair. It should be somewhere around here. There you go. Okay, review. Last pair of this one. Got this one on Nike Factory Store. They are the last pair as well. So got lucky, I still got one. Okay, so one more that I need to go. I think two sneakers that are set in the big shed. So one pair of this Young 96. Also sold this one, Nike Flyknit Resell Golf Oreo. So here you go, this is the we sold, but these are mainly on GOAT. And this one is the Nike Resell Golf Oreo. There you go. I think, how much this one? We bought this for $29.99 plus tax. And how much we sold them? We sold them on GOAT for $76.45. So not bad for those. 30 times 2, so almost doubling my money. Especially some people don't go on golf right now, so still got lucky. I got double my money on those. Okay, next one, the 96. There you go, a chunky shoes. We got them for $19.99 on Marshalls, and we did a quick flip on those for $34.82. Since there's not much of competition right there, so I just have to do a quick flip. Take a small amount, not bad. Okay, also next one we have the Air Jordan 1 Mid. Retail on this one is $115. There we go, Pine Green. So size 11. I sold them on GOAT for $157 on Nike Factory Store with the additional discount. So next one, sold this Nike Air Max 95. Retail is $160. This is the Cosmic Clay Width. And boom, got this one I think somewhere $69, I believe, and sold them on GOAT for $123.51, and I got them somewhere around $69 or $79, so that's still doubling my money. So next one, we also sold this Mamba Ridge Black Metallic Gold Anthracite. Retail is $100. And if you seen my video that I bought this bunch of toys, if you could look back, I think I got them for below retail, more than half of it, like $49 or $59 on this one. So I think at least I've got 35 or 45% return of investment on this one. We have the last two pair of Air Jordan 8, sold a 10.5 and size 10. That is all what we sold on GOAT. And I got, so what do you think on this, what we sold on GOAT? If you like this video, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I'll see you on the next one. Peace, mag-ingat po kayo. Bye bye.